What's up? This is the second video of the Ultimate Nerf guns. Well, much farther back. I'm gonna start out with my sniper again. Alright. Yeah. Two good shots. I'm gonna shoot that 2 more times. That's my favorite one. Only about 4. Alright, here we go. Alright. That was a little bit of a bad one. That was one that had the rip in it. Alright. Here's a good one. Let's see what we can do here. Yeah. Alright. Alright, I'll shoot my other one now. Oh, I forgot to mention on my first one, my first video, these guns, some day when it's like light outside, right now it's dark, I go outside and shoot it, and this is no lie, man. These things will shoot 40 to 50 yards. I'm not even playing with you, man. It's crazy. Alright, I'm gonna hurry and shoot this one. Looks like my battery's about to go dead. If it does, sorry. Alright, here we go. Alright. A little off, but like I said, it shoots to the right. But I'll see you guys next time. Please comment and subscribe.